baby girl. What are you cooking?
I'm making trust for everybody.
You're making it?
Awesome. You will like it.
Owono. Is this? It's Owono?
Yes, Owono.
Okay, so I'm seeing well. What's the name of this? Ebuka didn't tell you.
Ebuka, tell me what?
That we don't cook. We don't cook Owono in this house. We have banned ourselves from eating Owono.
Well, I told you, Ebuka likes Owono. He enjoys it so much.
Eh?
Yes, he likes Owono too.
But is this Ebuka's house? Eh? I think you should save your energy for when you become Ebuka's wife. Then you can cook Owono for him. This is my own house and my husband does not like Owono. It purges him. That said, I was coming to cook before I perceived the smell of something like poison. So, stand up. Ishichago. Come and help me buy Maggi. There's no Maggi. We go in now. I left money on the table. The table by the passage. There. She will win.
Is the food ready?
No, sir. I'm just going to buy Maggi.
No condiments in this house?
Not really, sir. It's just Maggi that is finished.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You can go.
Okay, sir.
But please be fast. I can't wait to eat that soup.
Okay, sir.
Please.
Okay. Okay.
It's been long. I tasted Obono soup last. Yeah?
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah.
How did she gain access into my kitchen, Ebuka?
Wait, you do say she's making Obono soup?
Yes, someone now. Just come back. You think I will see her and I will start tell you if I'm Moyala. I have stopped her. The essence of this, someone can do. Are you forgetting something? Are you forgetting what is at stake? Why is she making Obono soup? Moyala.
It's alright, I will talk to her.
You will talk to her, you will warn her.
I will warn her.
Go and warn her.
I don't know why Uchechi like to cook nonsense. Who even asked her to go to the kitchen in the first place?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know who asked her to cook or what wife material point she's trying to prove to whoever I told them. What I know is that I have so much at stake for anybody to ruin it.
In Agwaze big machine pass. I did my way now. We're into this together.
I'm not tired of cooking in this house. Nobody should help me. Allah Bokwanya. Go and warn her. Majaya, you job to let her feel tension.
I know what to do.
Come on. Let her feel the go now. Many things are at stake. And is this her house? I want to impress. And of all soups to make, it's Obono. And it had to be Obono. Because you think when you come with a Jew from your hand, you lie.
I thought you said you were preparing Obono soup.
Yes, but that was before. I started to eat the egusi.
Why? Why did you stop cooking Obono soup in this house? What happened?
Are you forgetting that Obono is one of those soups that do not agree with your stomach? Especially when it is not hard up. It purges you.
Have I ever complained that Obono is purging me? Have I ever complained about that? Eh? And why should you take over the kitchen? Why would you take over the kitchen and stop that which you wanted to cook?
Brother, it's okay.
Is this her kitchen?
Brother, it's okay. Let's eat. Next time.
No, I won't eat. Why is it not ogbono?
Okay,
let's say we have small ogbono in this egusi, or at least ona no.
I like egusi, brother. Kindly, next time she's cooking, she put ogbono.
I said no. You should have cooked ogbono. That is what I want.
Wait. Test Yanya. Delicious egusi for a king.
I'm not talking
like
about something delicious. I'm talking about no. It's slow for no. That is what I want.
But they said that what is what doing should be done well. If I want to cook ogbono, I cook ado so that it will draw as you like it. And in a situation like this, that there is no ado, you eat specially made egusi. Delicious. Baby, oh, baby. Baby, oh, baby. Baby, okay. Oh, kawalante. You like it? Is it not sweet? Don't worry. Eat soup from the pots of Ujo Olympics to the man after my heart. Lion King. I love this man.
None of you knows how to enjoy this thing. Eh?
Baby, oh, baby.
You know?
Okay, you boy have one.
You see, I like this.
And I made just enough quantity. Each and quick also.
Dolia. Dolzy.
Whoa! It's a goal! You're enjoying it now.
Uchechi, have I not warned you to avoid that kitchen? Have I not? She have asked you not to cross that kitchen again.
But what is wrong? What is all this about? Why does Uji have problem with me making some food? Is there something wrong?
You're asking me. Being Ajum, what is wrong? Is it that you don't understand simple English? Naka person in the kitchen, you like to poke nose a lot and I don't like it. If she say you should avoid the kitchen, Uchechi, avoid that kitchen. I will not warn you again. Avoid that kitchen. If you must cook, tell me. A big machine pass. I will open a restaurant for you. Or better still, you can cook rice, cook beans, or imeti. What is wrong with you?
Okay, I've heard.
See, don't try it again, no. I will not warn you again. Avoid that kitchen. Try again. If you try it next time, you don't like what I will do to you.
Wait, is anything wrong with you? What is wrong with you? No, you're warning me because I want to cook. What is wrong with you?
Did I ask you? No, who asked you to cook? Uju can do it. Okay? Try it one again. Don't try it again. Uchechi, don't try it again.
Are you sure you're okay? No, are you okay? You're warning me just because I want to cook?
Okodele, I remembered you coming to tell me that nothing will ever tear your father's family apart. Yes, you told me categorically that you will make sure that there will always be peace between you and your stepsister Okamaka. So what is going on?
Mr. Ibe, why are you here?
All right. Okamaka, your stepsister, is highly disappointed in you. And she has warned you to leave this house within 72 hours. Else, you will regret ever being her brother or related to her.
Mazive, will you just get out of this place?
I will leave, but let me warn you. Do not fight a wealthy and upright person, for he will use his riches to destroy you. A word is enough for the wise.
Nawa. Oh, you talk a lot.
You know that I will never support evil. Okodile asked me out.
He is the chosen one.
Are you talking to me?
Kamu ose gi alụta n'ụlọ. Osikwu gi ebi na nke mmadụ lụ. Royalty has come to dwell in your late brother's house.
My late brother, Chief Solomon?
He is the one. The gods have rejected Eze Nnanyelugo as the Igwe of Uhuala Kingdom. He has done the worst and awakened the wrath of the gods.
But my late brother Solomon has 2 sons. Which one has he chosen?
Your late brother we know has 3 sons. Why are you excluding the important one?
But he's dead.
You believe what you hear, but not what you see. Why can't the living among the dead? Did you bury him?
Wise one, please forgive my utterance. Help me because I am confused right now.
It is predestined by the gods that the son of late Lola Chalugo will become the king of this land.
It means that Okamaka is certain with what she said.
Keep this to yourself. Do not even let your left ear hear what you hear from the right. Let the will of the gods be fulfilled.
Am I dreaming or what? Ihabonla?
You don't mean it.
Mama, I meant everything I told you. Eh? I saw this one. And not just here, I saw this one. Eh? This is not I heard they say. This one is what Evelyn saw.
But what took you to palace? What took you to the palace? Did I send you there? Eh? What business do you have in the palace? Aproko?
Mara preferred than a moto ba na moto. You ask me what I went there to do. I cannot go to the Igwe and say hello. I'm telling you that the gods have rejected Eze Nnanyelugo. And you're telling me why did I go there?
Which means Amaka is innocent. The God we serve has vindicated her.
Yes.
Hi. Ewo. How? Ezibonwa. My daughter. But why is it that Eze Nnanyelugo favored Okudere, knowing fully well the truth? Why did he favor him? Because he knows the truth.
Mama, I don't know this one. No. What I know is that now Igwe Eze Nnanyelugo, he will go abroad, follow his wives and children. You should not go and fight the new king. You should not go and drag the crown with the new king. I've said my own, Mama.
This thing sounds so interesting.
Mama,
this is striking news.
Mama, I saw this one. Your daughter Evelyn is not a gossip, you know now.
And what are you?
Mama, I've said my
Aproko, what are you? You are not a gossip. But you are gossiping. So what is that one called? Aproko. You are not a gossip, but you went to palace and come back. You are not a gossip. It's me that is a gossip. What the you one can say?
Uncle.
Yes, my dear.
It is almost impossible for us to find my brother Darlington. It's been over 2 decades since I set my eyes on him. Nobody knows where he is. The truth is, if I see him right now, I won't even recognize him. Will you still be able to recognize him?
I cannot recognize him. But I went to Ezekiel this year the other day. He told me he's still alive.
All this sudden discussion about a supposed dead person is a distraction. The revelation of him being alive is coming from a fetish source. I can't buy it.
Okudli keeps arguing that a woman has no right over his father's property. It's right, a kind of according to tradition. But the only way is to make sure we find Darlington, my nephew, whom I believe is still alive.
Uncle, are you saying finding Darlington is the only way we can claim back our properties by tradition?
Yes, my dear, it's the only way. A woman has no right. You don't have any possession or asset as far as tradition is concerned.
Uncle,
Yes, my dear.
let's prepare a litigation against the Maroki tradition.
Litigation.
Yes. Let's go the legal way. I'm very positive that they won't win over us.
This situation is a bit dicey. We need to handle this with absolute precaution.
So what then do you advise we do? What do we do?
Hello? Babe. I've missed you. Yes, I really miss you. Yes, I do. That's how you always tell me. Come back today, come back. Please come back. Okay. Just take care, okay? Bye. I love you. Okay, bye. Oh my God. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Jane! 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 She's dead! God! We have to move!
Nonsense. This is absolutely nonsense.
Baba Chu, if I am around today, tomorrow another hunting day. We won't give up, that is for sure.
Yes, I believe so.
How manage? How did she manage to escape? No, tell me. We were this close. Before that useless driver outsmarted us, we went to a point of going to Chisom school to crush her. But there is no trace of her.
My take on this be say, no give up. Give up, no join now. Last we go all down our target. We no give up now.
Who is talking about give up? A big in a machine pass are there give up. How? Amaka, you can run. Amaka, you can run, but you cannot hide. I assure you, I will crush you. You will die a painful death, Amaka. I'll burn you alive. Your husband's death is just a preamble. We shall see.
You don't mean it. So the lady is your boss?
Yes.
God forbid evil. But we have to call her to come outside and sit with us. She has been crying in there since she came in last night.
Yes, Mama. They have been after her life since yesterday. And we have been trying to reach the husband, but he's not picking his call. The unbearable part is that his picture is on all social media. That he is alleged to be killed by unknown gunmen.
Hi. Hi. They have killed her husband. Evil people. But you have to call her to come outside. I have not seen her since she came in.
No, Mama. You need to let her rest. Since yesterday we have been running. It's not really easy, Mama.
No, you don't get me. Inside that room, she will commit suicide. She has been crying since. So you have to call her to come outside. At least let me see her face. So she will come and sit with us one.
Yes, Mama. You have a point here. Let me go and call.
You said she's your boss?
Yes, I have been working with her for years.
And what do you say her name is again?
Mrs. Amaka.
Okay, Amaka.
Mama, that's my full name.
Do you know who is Achalugo?
Of course. Achalugo is my late mother. Please, stop. Stop already. I've had enough. Please, Ma. I don't want to hear anything again.
I must tell you this. Hi. For a deal like this was orchestrated by God.
Hi.
Mama, I still don't understand what is going on here.
Listen, this lady here is your blood sister.
My sister Bena. Yes, sister. I bought this house for a particular reason, for you to establish in this country. And what could the reason be? I want you to live with my son, AC. But why? My co-wife, she first wife, wants to kill Eze in any means. She's into diabolic practice. She have tried so many ways to kill him. And you know he's my only son. Sometimes he cough out blood. Sometimes he kills him. Sometimes he have so many. There's nightmare, and that's why I want him to be far from home. I want him to stay here with you. But sister, how do you know he's your co-wife that is doing all these things for me?
I noticed it. For Shiv, leave that to me. I will handle it. And for record's sake, I am building a mansion in his father's land. When he gets of age, please, you let him know.
then he can go back and stay there.
Okay, sister. I will do that. I promise you I'll take good care of him. I will nurture him as my own son.
Thank you very much.
You're
and
welcome,
every
sister.
2 weeks, I will be sending you money. I will be calling, but maybe before he wake up, I might have gone back to Nigeria. But I will be calling you every 2 weeks. And I will let you know when next I will come.
It's alright, sister. I wish you
Please, take good care of him as your own.
That was the last time I saw Chaluko. I heard she was murdered by her political opponent, who is also a big enemy to her husband. So, for fear of losing Eze, I had to keep him here with me until he is old enough to take care of himself and go back to Nigeria.
Mama, why did you hide all this from me?
No, I'm sorry. Chief Solo, my in-law, had a lot of enemies, and I was scared that they will not rest until they wipe out all his family. That was why I kept you here with me. Madam. What will I do?
Let me have the key.
Madam, sorry, sister. Where are we going?
Listen, I need to go back to Nigeria. It is sacrilegious for me to continue to run away for what has been troubling me since time immemorial. How long am I going to run?
Sister, these same people killed Oga Azona. They killed Jane, my fiancé, and they attempted to kill you and Jesus.
Listen, my brother. The imperative truth about this whole revelation is that what is eating the vegetable is within the vegetable. We can't fight or win this battle when we are running away. We need to stand and face our challenge.
Sister, exactly. But we have to tread with caution.
See, don't worry. We have to go back to Nigeria. But promise me you're not going to tell anybody about your mother's revelation.
I will not. I promise.
We need to face this and fight it once and for all. Only cowards run away from their challenges. And I'm not one. Yemdiki.
I'm in your hands, oh God. Never leave me. Never leave me. Oh, I'm in your hands, oh God. Shoot me in your hands.
Could that be true? What Ezemo told me the other day. That the gods have rejected Ezemanyelugo. Ezenwa, my nephew, is still alive. O gods of our land, let your will be done.
But I'm in your hands, oh God. Shoot me in your hands.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, good afternoon. You're back?
Yes, sir.
I hope you prepared the obono soup to be very delicious, right?
Yes, I did.
Good. Serve me, let me eat. Okay?
But, sir, I am worried.
You're worried about what?
Ebuka, he warned me never to prepare food for you. Even your wife.
Please forget those people. Huh? They can't restrict me from eating obono soup in this house. Or do it possible. Who is Ebuka, my wife? Please go and get my food, let me eat.
So are you sure?
Because I can perceive the aroma. Go and serve me, please. Be fast. Oh? I'm so happy that you can even cook. This is good.
Thank you.
This is so delicious. You made this?
Yes, sir.
You're wonderful.
Thank you.
Huh? You're
glad.
going to make a good wife for my brother.
Thank you,
Obono
sir.
soup.
Yeah.
Kiss Lotua. If we
I'm glad you like it, sir.
I like it.
You like food so much.
Hey! It is good. Hey! Hey!
So is everything alright? Did anything happen to the food?
What am I doing here? Why am I eating in my sister's house?
No, sir. This is your house.
No. This is not my house.
Sir, this
is Amaka's house. And why am I here? What brought me here?
Sir, this is your house and I made the food for you.
You made food for me? For what? How?
But sir, this is your house.
What am I doing here?
Is everything alright?
Did you?
Yes.
What is everyone doing here in Amaka's house? Where is she? Does she know that we're here?
Are you well at all? This is our house.
Brother, you're wrong. This is not our house. This is Amaka's house. This is not supposed to be our house.
It's our house.
No, this is Amaka's house. Ebuka, get Amaka.
She does not.
Where is Amaka? Has something happened to her? Or what? I said, well, can someone talk to me? And what are we doing here?
Is this someone?
Hey!
Is this someone? You
You have killed me. Stop it! Stop it! Before I get mad! Can someone tell me what is going on here? I warn you!
Did I? He just gave me money to go and prepare food for him in our house.
Wait.
What did I do?
Wait, let me ask. Why am I not supposed to eat Obono soup? Why? Can someone tell me why? Have you killed her? Where's my sister?
Look. On no account will you make draw soup. I mean Obono soup or okra, anything draw for him.
Okay.
Very, very important. The Baba stated it very clear. I mean very resounding.
Wait. Take it easy now. I can hear you.
The Baba stated it very resounding. I mean very clear. Make sure he doesn't eat anything draw. Obono, okra, anything.
Okay.
That any day he does that, the efficacy of that charm will be destroyed.
I know. No more Obono. No more okra. Anything that draws.
Anything.
Nothing like that.
Thank God he doesn't eat outside.
Thank God.
So let's just watch and see. But please, never you.
I will stop making Obono.
Never you.
I will never make Obono in this house. All okra, everything. No, is banned.
Let's watch and see.
I told you please. Stop it. Stop it. So you kill her.
I'll kill you now. What is this? What is this conspiracy for?
Oh, there goes my baby. This girl, he went to where you must somewhere. Kill her. Who asked you?
What is this? What is this about Obono soup? Can someone stop talking?
It's Mazo Keke. It's Mazo Keke that deceive us. It's Mazo Keke that deceive us. Do you know how Mazo Keke?
Officers, get them arrested.
They're under arrest. Drop that knife. You people are under arrest. We drop the knife. Drop the knife. Respect yourself.
Okay, sir.
Move.
Okay, sir.
Come on,
Onye ga-akọwanwu ihe chigbu. Onye ga-akọwanwu ka Chukwu si eme ihe. Onye ga-akọwanwu. Onye ga-akọwanwu. Onye ga-akọwanwu.
Uncle, you know me. You know me. Our uncle, I was deceived and manipulated. Eh? My wife and my brother used charm on me. That was why I did all I did.
I warned you, Okodele, but you wouldn't listen.
Uncle, how would I have listened when they stopped me from eating Obono soup? The only thing that can defect the efficacy of the charm. Uncle, at least read the statement I wrote, Bikon. Oh? Uncle, I have repented. Huh? Yes, I am ready to return all that is in my possession that belongs to Amaka, my sister.
I don't know why I believe you, but I'm sure that Uju, your wife, is a devil.
Oh, Uncle, see, I'm regretting ever marrying her.
Huh?
Yes, I'm regretting it. But Uncle, you are the one who introduced her to me, I hope you know.
Are you not blaming me?
No, not that.
Don't worry, I know what to do.
When I first brought this matter to the king for a peaceful resolution, not only did he play the gender inequality role, he arrogantly told me that the tradition supersedes the law. Now that Okudili and his cohorts are in the custody of law, let tradition vindicate them and exonerate them of all the charges.
My daughter, Adan Nayao, Adaije Jemba, Mazo Keke, okwe na ano? Biko, Ada Papia, you get way to be. You see, I was with Okodele yesterday at the police station. You need to hear him. You need to see him. He confided in me that all he was acting, all he was doing, that he was under the influence of charm.
I don't care.
But get on to one Biko. HF1 Okudili is still your brother. He's still your brother. Biko, ekpe iwe, ekpe kwa nke ọzọ. What I go now?
Well, if the government decides against them, I still maintain that the tradition must prevail.
You lie, the wedding of the oppressed has reached their ancestors, and they have decided to visit you with reign of terror.
Eye of the gods. What does that supposed to mean?
The royalty of Ebenesi has left your Obi for the abode of Solomon Onoha. He has a son whose name is Ezenwa. He will sit on your throne and reign as king.
You lie! Not while I'm still alive.
He that must go to equity must go with clean hands. Are your hands clean?
Shut up! I say shut up. Mind you, you are just a seer. I can banish you out of this community.
He who the gods want to destroy, they first make mad. Hey! Awara! Hey! Awara! Hey! 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 I'll give you! Hey! Hey! Possible! It cannot happen. Hey! Wait. What am I actually perceiving? So? Ezenwa is still alive. Could this be true? Or did my eyes deceive me? No. So Okudele has eaten a forbidden food and has put me in perpetual shame. Egede more. Ikuku buru ikuku alosi. Egede more. Ikuku alosi. No, I cannot allow it to happen. So, and to carry it up. Baji, look at him. Ezenwa is now crowned king. He has taken the throne. And he dares say that he will look into my matter and know how to handle me. His own uncle, when he is settled down. Eh? He waits not to chebe. Mba, I can't stand one place. It's only a tree you will tell to cut it down and it stays there till tomorrow when the time to cut it down appears. I cannot take it. Nowhere. Ezenwa. You must dance the dance of the spirit now. You must dance the rugede for me. No. Ezenwa. You must dance the dance of the spirits. You must dance surugede for me. I refuse to accept it. I will go and see Ncha at once. And when I see Ncha and come back, Ncha game all of you. Because begede more while ikuku alosi. Ezenwa. You will deal with me. Amaka, go and raise up more dust. I am here to contain it. No problem. Look at this man. Come on, handle it. Don't shoot my phone. Baby, go get her.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
Please, I am done with you. Go back to your father's house. I am done marrying you. Leave your wound, you. You call him baby. Who is your baby? Go to the market square. You see his name is as something. Go there and stand up with your daughter's life. I am done with you. I don't want to go. Don't trust. You're promiscuous. You're diabolic. You are every nonsense every woman can think of. Just go. I am done with you.
I'll be good now. Okay,
you want to be good, eh?
Yeah.
You want to be good? Yes. Then go and start being good. This small man is waiting for you. Go there and continue your...
No, baby, please.
Go and continue this idiot.
No.
Go and leave your house. I want you.
Baby, please, I beg you. Please, I
Onye ga-akọwanwu ihe chibu. Onye ga-akọwanwu ka Chukwu si eme ihe. Onye ga-akọwanwu. Onye ga-akọwanwu. Onye ga-akọwanwu. Onye ga-akọwanwu ihe chibu. Onye ga-akọwanwu ka Chukwu si eme ihe. Onye ga-akọwanwu. Onye ga-akọwanwu. Onye ga-akọwanwu.
Mama!
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Where is Mama?
Who?
My mother. Who are you?
I'm Izu.
Okay.
Who are you?
What is it? Why are you touching me? Excuse me.
To where now? Excuse you, to where?
Go inside to see my mama.
Who is your mama?
Mama!
Who's your mama?
Who are you? Why are you been blocking me from entering our house?
I'm Izu.
I'm
the one taking care of this house.
Yeah?
Nduka? Oga Nduka? How? Oga Nduka has traveled to Dubai now. Yeah, you're calling Nduka. Now, is he your girl, your boyfriend? He has traveled to Dubai.
Who are you?
I'm Izu now. He say,
Evelyn!
Who is Evelyn? Everybody has traveled to
What is happening?
Oga Nduka has taken everybody to Dubai. Both his mother, sister, everybody, all in Dubai. Yeah, here, I don't even know.
What kind of stranger are you? You come into my house and you're talking nonsense.
I don't know you. I'm the one taking care of this.
Everybody in this village knows Uju Olympics. They equally know that this is our house. My mama and my papa's house.
They do sports.
I have a dwarf sister, Evelyn, and a foolish-looking boy by appearance, Nduka.
Don't call Nduka foolish, oh. Don't call him foolish, oh.
Nduka is Oga. Whose Oga is he?
Hey, he's a big boy now. He has made so much money that he's in Dubai. Even do come back to carry boys to go and work in his company. He promised to come back and carry me. I was even thinking he's the one that even came and said, "You are here telling me, where are you carrying bags to?" I don't even. You see, he claimed they're your brothers, Abi, your brother and your sister, and you don't even know their whereabouts.
Wait.
I beg, come for you.
Yeah, you're not joking.
Do I look like a joker?
Dubai?
Yes, now.
Nduka, everybody Dubai?
Yes, now.
In Kesibo?
Kesibo, he's a big boy, yo. I beg, come they go.
Hey, follow me.
Huh? Where?
Hey, follow me.
Where?
He's my brother. It's the same Nduka we are actually talking about. I thought you're mistaken. It's him. He used to talk about a friend of his in Dubai. So the friend have carried him.
I'm telling you. He claims that he's your brother. I don't even know their whereabouts.
Evelyn!
They're all in Dubai.
Follow him.
I beg, come they go.
I want to follow.
Come they go.
Call him the phone.
No.
Tell him his sister, Uju Olympics.
I can't. Yo, you don't want him to take me to Dubai again. Madam.
I am his sister. You have his phone number. Call him. Tell him Uju Olympics. His sister.
Yeah, missing road. Let's go.
No, I'm not missing road. This is our house. This is our house. Everybody.
I don't want to push you.
Okay, call him on your phone. Let me talk to him so that I can go and join them.
You don't want him to take me to Dubai. I beg, come for here.
Why do you push him?
Come for here. Come for here. You say you will come and take me to Dubai.
Onyega kawangu kachuku siemiye. Onyega kawangu.
Nduka, is this you?
No, my dear. How are you?
Nduka, you're looking so good. Where have you been? Wait, is this your car?
You know, you advised me to go and hustle and make money. So I actually took your advice and I went to Dubai. I've been in Dubai, yo. The only thing I know how to do now is to hustle. In fact, I fell in love with hustling.
That is so good, though.
Yeah. How is your husband, Ebuka?
Nduka, what is it now? Are you trying to mock my condition?
Remember, we are still friends, so.
I am not disputing that we are still friends. Even that is even the reason I am going around the whole world. You know, telling the world the goodness of the Lord. And thank God.
Is it money?
Money is not in paper now. He has signed a check. Yeah, this one.
What is it for?
It's my wedding card. Next week Saturday is my wedding.
Your wedding?
Yes.
Wait, Nduka, but you say you love me now. You said you love me. The love, it just died. Nduka.
You're welcome. Just come.
Please, you're highly invited. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Nduka.
Yeah?
Nduka, but you said you love me now. The love did it just go away? Did it just die off like that? Hey, what have I done to myself? What have I done to myself?
Onyega kawangu, iye chibu. Onyega kawangu. Chukwu si eme ihe. Onye ga-akọwanwu, onye ga-akọwanwu, onye ga-akọwanwu, onye ga-akọwanwu ihe chi bụ. Onye ga-akọwanwu ka Chukwu si eme ihe. Onye ga-akọwanwu, onye ga-akọwanwu, onye ga-akọwanwu.